How to fix network issues on any Google Pixel phone. So if you want to fix the network issues on any Google Pixel or any Android phone, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After having a stable internet connection, you can open up your settings. Now under settings, you need to go with network and internet. Under network and internet, go with SIM card and mobile network, and here you need to just tap on the SIM, and after tapping on the SIM you will have an option of preferred network type. So you need to go with the preferred network type, and you can select 3G or 2G, and after selecting the lowest network type you can go back or switch back to your default or your preferred network type, which will be it might be 4G or 5G. After that your problem might be fixed. You just need to simply switch from 4G to 3G or 3G to 4G. On your Google Pixel phone, you need to go with your dialer. You need to enter star hash 4636 hash star. And after that, it will take you to the testing section. Under testing, you can just simply go with your phone info, which will be your phone information, which is on the first. And once you tap on the phone information, here you can go with set preferred network type. In most of the Google Pixel phones, it is set as LTE only. But in our case, we'll select GSM. After that, you need to go and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your network issues on any Google Pixel phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.